Ooh! Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be making witch potions. I'm actually gonna be making rose water and showing you guys how I make my facial spray. Sometimes I buy them in the store, you know, I use the Mario Badescu one or the Pearl Essence one. I'll link those below. But sometimes I come across roses and I use the rose petals to make rose water. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right now. And let's just go make some potions. First, put rose petals into a pot and cover them with water. Boil them until the colors of the petals fade. Remove the petals and pour rose water into a sealable jar. I couldn't find the lid at the moment, but if you're using a mason jar, you can order a pump or spray attachment online. Link in description. And then add a bit of witch hazel to the mixture. I also fill a tiny to-go spray bottle that I made a cover for with some of the concoction and boom, boil, boil, toil and trouble.